Before you click Publish in Google Ads, stop. In this video, I show you 5 things you should check before launching a campaign so you don't waste money from day one. Hey, I'm Jasmin, and today I have a quick checklist video for you. These 5 checks take just a few minutes, but they can save you a lot of budget. So the checklist starts. Number 1, check your campaign goal. So now we are directly inside Google Ads. Ask yourself as a first question, what is the goal of my campaign? Are you optimizing for sales, for leads, or maybe for website traffic? Like common beginner mistakes are that they're choosing the wrong campaign goal, that they select maybe website traffic when you actually want conversions. So if you want leads or sales, then choose a conversion focused goal. Number 2, check your location settings. This is a big one. Make sure to check location options because here Google set by default presence or interest. Make sure that you don't use that because a lot of beginners, they're actually keeping that selected, but that means your ads can show to people outside of your target area. So for local businesses, choose presence to only target people in your targeted locations. So this small setting can completely change who sees your ad. Number 3, check your keyword match types. Are you using only broad match keyword types without knowing it? A lot of beginners, they actually add keywords without symbols. So just like that. They would type in like just Gym Berlin. So everything in broad match leads to a lot of unrelated traffic and wasted ad spend. For example, if you have entered a keyword like that, Gym Berlin, your ad can maybe show up for someone searching for a yoga mat. So it's very unrelated. Here actually you find information on the different keyword match types. So if you would enter the keyword like that, Gym Berlin, this is the phrase match, and it's a lot better for the better targeting. And as well, you could enter the keyword like that in the brackets. That's exact match. So only start with phrase match and exact match because with small budgets, control matters more than reach. Number 4, check that the display network is turned off. As well, under networks, Google sets that as default. So make sure to uncheck Google Display Network because if you're running a search campaign, you usually want search intent and not random website placements. So this alone will save you a lot of money. I would recommend as well deactivating this. Number 5, check your landing page. This one is huge as well. So if someone clicks your ad, where do they land? Do they land on your general homepage or on a specific landing page? Here, yeah, it looks nice, but it's a general homepage. So this is a no-go. You should really lead your traffic to a specific landing page. So ask yourself, is the page relevant to the keyword? Is the landing page clear? Is there one clear call to action? Like for example, sign up or join now. And does the landing page load fast? And if it's mobile friendly. So your ad makes a promise. Your landing page must keep that promise. Let's do a quick recap of what I just said. Before launching your Google Ads campaign, check your campaign goal, your location settings, your keyword match types, the display network, and your landing page relevance. These 5 checks take just minutes, but prevent beginner mistakes. And I have one bonus for you. So a bonus check, make sure your conversion tracking is set up because otherwise you are flying blind. If this checklist helped you feel more confident before launching your campaign, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.